silence, pretty fire. Hardly breathing, hardly open. They killed me right before I wrote this. So hopeless, no emotions, but I'm the greatest soul from 5 oceans. And I'm the dopest, and there's nothing compared to me, boy, with the oversized notions. So bogus, so fearful, and I love it that way when they're near me. I know this, sincerely, don't cut throat when you hear me. And I know this, right? Never been more ready in my life. So bring it on, baby, this my fucking night. Make this song my fucking wife. Hey, you'll never stop me till my name's in light. Told me not to hurt the game, I would've killed that shit. Rebuild this bitch, I rebuild this shit. It's just my fucking night. Yeah, fucking right. I'm here to stay, move on with your fucking life.
And I'm the greatest, feeling like the greatest. No finger to the haters, you're the one that made us. Rose gold down the aisle to the altar, laughing as you falter, close you off, rock up Gibraltar.
I'm taking names down, who want it? Try to stop me now while I'm on it. No one talks, I can hear the whisper. Murder them, that's for my sister.